You spend thousands of dollars on marketing campaigns, optimize search rankings, and commission high-end product photography. A customer clicks your ad, finds exactly what they want, and then their journey dies right at the finish line. The moment of highest buyer intent is the exact instant someone clicks Add to Cart. Paradoxically, this is precisely when traditional e-commerce sites tend to freeze, forcing the buyer to stare at a spinning loading wheel. This chart shows exactly how much that loading wheel costs. According to data from Amazon and Google, every 100 milliseconds of load delay actively costs a site 1.11% in conversions. On mobile devices, where user patience is practically zero, that abandonment rate spikes even more aggressively. A 2-second delay on a phone consistently results in a lost sale. Modern online stores carry a structural design flaw that creates an unavoidable hidden speed tax. Store owners are unknowingly burning their own customer acquisition budgets right at the point of sale, all due to an invisible technical bottleneck. To understand the bottleneck, compare a basic blog to a modern WooCommerce store. A simple blog is mostly lightweight text, but an e-commerce site is a massive, heavy database. High-resolution product catalogs, third-party shipping calculators, payment gateways, and real-time inventory plugins all stack their computing demands directly on top of your central server. Most developers install caching plugins, saving static copies for visitors, but you cannot cache personalized shopping carts. When customers load unique carts, the cache turns off. The origin server runs complex queries for every buyer, rapidly spiking time to first byte past 1800 milliseconds. Traditional optimization tools act as a temporary patch on a broken foundation. They speed up window shopping, but collapse exactly when the customer reaches for their wallet. Fixing this requires removing the origin server from the critical path entirely, using a system known as Nimbica's static edge architecture. Before a customer even visits the store, Nimbica's AI engine pre-compiles the entire WordPress site into ultralight static HTML files. Those files are pushed to a global network of 300 edge nodes, existing just miles from the buyer. When a user adds to cart, Nimbica delivers the page instantly. Meanwhile, edge workers handle dynamic cart data in parallel, keeping heavy computing completely separate. If a price drops or inventory changes, Nimbica's AI incremental build system identifies the exact page that was updated and rebuilds only that specific file in under 30 seconds. By separating heavy dynamic processing from the need for instant page delivery, this hybrid architecture finally eliminates the speed tax. This is a Google Lighthouse mobile performance report. By shifting to a static edge, total blocking time drops to 0 milliseconds, resulting in a perfect 100 performance score. Looking at this core Web Vitals dashboard, we see that metrics measuring real-world user experience, like how fast the main content loads and visual stability, hit 100% pass rates. Because the origin server sits safely hidden behind the edge network, the store gains functional immunity to Black Friday traffic spikes and targeted DDoS attacks. These perfect technical scores translate directly into retained sales. They represent a permanently sealed revenue leak at the most critical stage of the buyer's journey. Mastering e-commerce speed has moved beyond technical maintenance. It is now a direct driver of long-term revenue.